Hey guys, this is GasGamer001 here. Today I'm going to be unboxing my first ever Skewb. So yeah guys, in this video we're going to be unboxing the my first ever Skewb, and we're going to be doing a Skewb solve in this video. I know, I don't have a Skewb. It's honestly really sad, but so I'm getting my first Skewb, and this is by Qicheng, I think, the Skewb Qicheng. Oh no, it's by Qiyi. It's by Qiyi. It is the Qiyi Qicheng Skewb. I hope I said that right. I probably didn't. I have the black version, so we're gonna get right ahead to unboxing. I got so excited when this came. I instantly picked up recording, and yeah, so because I didn't want to open it without you guys. So here we go. Not much of a box collector. We'll get this thing out. Oh my gosh, this thing is really... Oh wow, it gives you a little pamphlet. Tells you how to solve it. It's written in like Japanese, so you don't really know how to solve it, but like, yeah. I don't actually know how to solve this thing except for like the white layer, pretty much. Come on, get out of the plastic. Uh-oh. Here we go. There we go. So that's the sledgehammer right there. Come on. Wait, did I just do something wrong? I think I just did something wrong. Whoopsies. I think I just messed something up. Yeah, I definitely messed something up. Whoops. We can go ahead and try to solve this, I guess. I got the white layer. Yay. Guys, so yeah, I'm gonna be unboxing a couple more. I don't really know how to solve it from here, so yeah, these are just a couple like 3-minute videos on this thing. Wait, oh my gosh, what the flip? What? This is sorcery. You guys see that? Look, you pop this out, right? You pop like the centerpiece out, and then like a little edge piece will like come back out. I just like stuck it back in there. Now it's like fixed. Like what? I love Skewb. Skewb is my new favorite thing. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching this video unboxing my first Skewb. I'm going to solve this. I will soon, eventually. I just have to learn like sledgehammer and stuff, and like when to use it, and then I will officially learn how to solve the Skewb. But yeah, I have the Qiyi Skewb. It's a bit sandy, as you guys can see. I'll get it to work. But yeah, that is my unboxing of this, my first ever Skewb. Hope you all enjoyed, and it's GasGamer001 signing out.